How's it going, YouTube? My name's Dan, and I'm back again for another video teaching a yoga kriya called Lion's Breath. Lion's Breath is an action that liberates. So Lion's Breath, I'll quickly demonstrate and then we'll get into it. The Lion's Breath is concerned only with the exhale portion of the breath. So if we take a full breath in, Lion's Breath on the exhale looks like this. And instantly I'm in a much better, more jovial, happy, energized mood. And this is because the Lion's Breath is really opening up and activating a lot of energy channels in the face, which maps to all different organs and areas of our body. So we feel just much better overall. It's a great reset. And what you saw me doing there was a couple of things. The first is I'm opening my mouth and I'm sticking my tongue out as far as I can as I'm making a vocal exhale tone of ah. I'm also raising my eyebrows up as much as humanly possible. And with my third eye, with my eyes closed, I'm looking up at my third eye area, which is basically known as Shambhavi Mudra, where you're just looking up and kind of inward with both eyes. And it's really drawing the energy all upward so that it can be released out the mouth with the ah breath. So the spiritual, energetic discussion I can have behind why this kriya is so effective is because a lot of times you guys might have heard the fifth chakra, the throat chakra, can sometimes get blocked. You can have a blockage here. Well, why is that? And that is because so often in our culture, in our society, we've been programmed to not say certain things that are on our mind, that want to come out. So we've literally blocked them from releasing, from being spoken. And what goes into that blocking and stopping is the mental thought and then the constriction and restriction of the actual muscles in our neck. We've actually stopped ourselves physically by letting energy that wants to come out through words, and we've blocked that up. So what Lion's Breath here is doing is releasing those muscles that have subconsciously tensed up from stopping us saying certain things that we want to say. Now, this is just an energy release out the mouth that, in my opinion and personal experience, is largely associated with holding back my words, but it could just be energy that needs to be released from anywhere, from any part of the body, exiting through the mouth. So you'll also hear me speak on how this is opening up energy channels in the face. So what I mean specifically by that is it's opening up a lot of the energy channels in the forehead when we raise our eyebrows up really high. And this is a map to all the different organs in our body. It's all encoded in our face. So different parts of our face are associated with different organs which have certain functions of intelligence in our whole body, which works as a brain. Our brain is not just the mental brain up here, it is our whole body. So simply by awakening and activating the face in its full capacity, you will be able to work with your full body brain and open that up. And let's practice this together. So take a full breath in with me now. Big audible exhale out the mouth. And you're sticking your tongue out all the way and kind of leaning forward and leaning into this exhale. Take a full breath in again. Eyebrows up, Lion's Breath out. Whew. And through doing so, you will instantly feel a state change This is a yoga kriya, which translates to an action that liberates us. So just sit with that, and you can really feel how liberating this is. I mean, how often in our life do we carve out a situation where we are free to do this and free to express? Very, very rarely. I mean, sometimes it can be disguised as exercise or working out, but whether you go to a gym to work out the demons in a controlled exorcism, which is an exercise, or you do breath work and lion's breath, it's all the same thing. It's allowing this energy to flow through us that needs to, or else we become stagnant without the flow. Like, think of a river. A flowing river is full of health, and it's a lot healthier to potentially drink from a flowing stream than it is from a puddle, which becomes a swamp. And we got to think of our whole body and the waters of our body like that. So if we hold or constrain a thought or something we want to speak, and we keep that in us and not express that, that becomes disease in the mind, and then it follows suit in the body somewhere. Lion's breath is one of the best ever for releasing that type of energy. Now, a lot of the videos you guys see me releasing here on the channel as far as guided breath works go, you're going to notice in the DMT alkaline breathing portion of the breath work, where we're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. That part of any type of breath work that you guys are doing is conducive to incorporating lion's breath. So what I mean by that is you can take your inhale, exhale lion's breath. Inhale, exhale lion's breath. Now, I bring this up to invite you guys to use this as a tool. I'm just here sharing a technique called the lion's breath and giving you a structured way to incorporate it, but you can incorporate this however you want. And I really love to incorporate it just into my normal breathwork flow if I'm feeling like I need to release that energy and kind of carve out that space to give yourself permission to let go of things that no longer serve you in this moment. That is what yoga is really all about, specifically breathwork. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below if this is your first time ever doing the lion's breath. Comment below just how you feel instantly by doing this. I'd be super curious to hear from you. And then go ahead and incorporate this into your daily breathwork practice or whenever you feel is necessary. So thanks for being here with me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.